પરંતુ આપણે ગઈકાલે જોયું હતું કે બ્રિગેડ એન્ટરપ્રાઇઝીસના રિઝલ્ટ આવ્યા હતા અને ખૂબ જ શાનદાર રિઝલ્ટ્સ આપણને આવતા જોવા મળ્યા છે અને તેનું આઉટકમ પણ આપણે ખૂબ જ સારું જોયું હતું. પરંતુ આજે આપણી સાથે તેમના મેનેજમેન્ટ જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે, તો આપણે વાત કરશું મેનેજમેન્ટ સાથે. પહેલાં તો બ્રિગેડ एंटरप्राइजेज़ एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर प्रद्युमन कृष्ण कुमार अपने साथ जुड़ाई गया है. गुड मॉर्निंग सर. CNBC बाजार में आपका स्वागत है. सबसे पहले सर मैं आपके नंबर्स के बारे में बात करना चाहूँगी. बहुत ही शानदार नंबर्स हमें देखने मिले हैं. अगर प्रॉफिट के फ्रंट पे नज़र कर रही हूँ तो 210 करोड़ का लगभग यानी 211 करोड़ का हमें प्रॉफिट देखने मिला है. रेवेन्यू भी काफ़ी अच्छी हमें देखने मिली है, लगभग 1700 तक की हमें रेवेन्यू नज़र आई है. एबिटा के नंबर्स देखें तो वहाँ पे भी हमें डबल डिजिट नंबर्स यानी डबल हमें एबिटा नंबर्स नज़र आया है. 432.8 करोड़ के हमें एबिटा नज़र आए हैं. मार्जिन की बात करें वहाँ पे भी हमें अच्छा खासा ग्रोथ देखने मिला है. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंस ये है कि आपके जितने भी सेगमेंट है, जिसमें खास करके हम रेजिडेंशियल बिजनेस सेगमेंट की बात करेंगे तो वहाँ पे हमें क्वार्टरली हमें 58% के ग्रोथ नज़र आए हैं. और अगर मैं हॉस्पिटली बिजनेस की भी बात करती हूँ वहाँ पे भी हमें लगभग 18% से भी ज़्यादा का ग्रोथ नज़र आया है. सर ओवरऑल रिजल्ट्स काफ़ी शानदार रहे हैं, तो इसको लेकर आपका क्या आउटलुक बन रहा है?
Good morning, ma'am, and thank you for having me on your show. Yeah, it's been a great year for us overall, and it's ended very well with Q4. Like you rightly said, all the numbers you've actually said it for me, so thank you for that. What we have seen is that many of our projects, which we have sold in the past years, have come up for revenue recognition in the residential business. In real estate, as per Ind AS accounting, you can only recognize the revenue once the project is completed and registered and handed over to the customer. So that's why there is some lumpiness that you see from time to time. But actually, the focus has been on sales, execution, and registration and handover over the last year or so. And it will continue in the course of this year too. So that is one of the significant reasons for the increase in revenues in the real estate segment. As far as the leasing segment goes, which is our office and retail portfolio that we own and operate, we've seen a major increase in that. So in FY23, we were at about 750 crores of top line, and we have now moved to about 940 crores. And this is primarily due to all the leasing that we have been focusing on over the past 2 years. In the past, when we have spoken, we've spoken about the concern of our SEZ portfolio having not fully been leased. But over the last 2 years, we have focused our efforts on this. We have ensured that we have focused all our SEZ spaces. We have not denotified any of our office spaces in SEZ. It's all been leased as SEZ itself. And I think that's a significant contributor, therefore. And we have seen from lease to rent also happen because typically there's a time gap in this. So that's why you see the increase in the business, even in the lease rental side. As far as the hotels go, you're absolutely right, ma'am. It's 18 to 20% increase that we have seen. Again, it's on the back of very strong domestic consumption. And from an outlook perspective, while this week expected to continue, we are hoping that the international business segment also picks up as it moves forward. It's just in its infancy as far as coming back to the earlier levels of business. So I think we will see a lot more coming in from the international business segment too on the hospitality side. So all of this put together has contributed in this financial year.
सर मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन आपसे ये रहेगा. मैंने ओवरऑल मैं आपका देख रही हूँ कि आपका पूरा बिजनेस ज़्यादातर साउथ इंडिया में काफ़ी ग्रोथ है, खास करके बैंगलोर, हैदराबाद देख रहे हैं, चेन्नई देख रहे हैं, जहाँ पे आप काफ़ी नए नए अपने प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च भी किए हैं. 2 दिन पहले मैंने आपका एक रिपोर्ट पढ़ा था जहाँ पे आपने बैंगलोर के आपके जो प्रोजेक्ट आपका जो अभी रिसेंटली लॉन्च हुआ है उसको काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स भी मिला है. तो उसको लेकर आपका क्या मत है और आने वाले क्वार्टर्स के लेकर आप क्या रिव्यूज़ बना रहे हैं और दूसरे नए कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स अभी आप लॉन्च करने की तैयारी में हैं?
So yes, we've had a very strong momentum in new launches also, and we are continuing to focus on Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad. You will see as we go, ma'am, in this financial year, we plan to launch in the residential business about 12.5 million square feet, of which significantly about say 7.5 million will come from Bangalore, about 3 million from Chennai, and about 2 million from Hyderabad. This is just a very broad sort of spread between the three cities. We expect momentum to continue. We expect strong demand. Our projects are located in the right places. We've got the right kind of products for those particular segments that that we'll be launching in, and we have, I think, priced it also very well. Over time, yes, pricing has gone up and it will continue to grow. I think we are confident of price realization to continue to increase because of what we're putting out there. But overall, I think we're very positive on the outlook for residential business.
सर मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन रहेगा, जैसे मैंने आपसे पहले ही आपने काफ़ी डिटेल्स में बात बताई थी कि हॉस्पिटैलिटी लेकर जो आपका जो बिज़नेस है वो काफ़ी अभी मैच्योर्ड हो रहा है, काफ़ी ग्रोथ भी दे रहा है। तो सर उसको लेकर सर आपके कुछ नए प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्च करने के आप प्लानिंग्स बना रहे हैं, क्योंकि काफ़ी कंपटीशन तो उस सेगमेंट में हमें देखने नज़र मिल ही रही है ऑलवेज ही। तो उसको लेकर आप क्या नए प्लान्स बना रहे हैं, या तो कोई नए योजना बना रहे हैं आप उसको लेकर?
Sorry, you're talking about the hospitality hotel business,
यस,
right?
होटल
Yeah.
बिजनेस।
Total. Yes, ma'am. So we have planned for this financial year to launch about 500,000 square feet. When I say launch in hospitality, we mean the commencement of construction. So about say a little more than 400 odd keys will go. As far as will start as far as hospitality goes. We have strong plans for the hospitality business. We want to grow it. We have witnessed good demand, as I mentioned earlier. We currently have about 1,500 rooms in the hospitality business. We naturally want to grow this further. We have told in the past that we want to add another 1,000 rooms at least in the coming years. So in this financial year, we will start about 420 rooms.
आपसे ये रहेगा कि काफ़ी हम नए-नए प्रोजेक्ट्स आप लॉन्च भी कर रहे हैं, तो प्री सेल्स को लेकर आपके क्या मतलब कि आप क्या अनुमान लगा रहे हैं? और दूसरा कैपेक्स को लेकर आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? क्योंकि काफ़ी नए प्रोजेक्ट्स लगा रहे हैं तो डेफिनिटली फंड्स भी काफ़ी हमें आने वाले वक्त में चाहिए, ज़रूरत पड़ेगी उसकी।
Yeah. So, ma'am, as far as the capex business goes, so we have right now lined up about 190 crores, which we have to spend as far as our existing ongoing projects in this vertical happens. As far as residential business goes, we are confident, like I mentioned, the outlook is strong. So I don't think we will have any sort of challenges on that front. From a cash flow perspective, also, if you look at our overall debt portfolio, we have about a gross debt of about 4,600 crores, of which net debt, after if you remove our cash and cash equivalents, we'll have about 2,600 crores. So we are in a very good position over there, because overall debt equity is about 0.62. And added to that, I must say our residential segment business has zero debt. All our debt, in fact, 90% of the debt which I mentioned, which is 4,600 crores, is securitized in nature. So it's backed by lease rentals. So it's for all form quasi equity. So I think we have a lot of options available with us. We have the routes. We have the overall outlook for funding these projects very clearly lined out. So we don't expect any sort of challenges on this front.
सर मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये रहेगा कि चेन्नई में भी आप कुछ नए प्रोजेक्ट्स लॉन्च करने के बारे में आप सोच रहे हैं, तो वहाँ से आप कितनी रेवेन्यू जनरेट करने की सोच रहे हैं, क्या प्लानिंग्स है? और सेकंड क्वेश्चन मेरा उसके साथ आपके साथ कनेक्ट है कि पूरे साउथ इंडिया को छोड़कर आप दूसरी कोई जगह पे भी आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स को अगर एक्सपांसन करने की आप प्लान्स बना रहे हैं?
So, ma'am, as far as geographical sort of locations go, we are sticking to this to South India. Primarily, Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad will continue to be our focus areas. Of course, we also have presence in Mysore, Kochi, Trivandrum. But these are the three cities, the three metro cities that we will continue to focus both in terms of launching projects and adding the land bank. So there is no change in that. Chennai is going to be a significant contributor to us. If you look at our overall land bank today, about 33% of our land bank is coming from Chennai. As I mentioned, we are seeing, we will be launching about 3 million square feet in this financial year in Chennai. I think that we will at least have about GDV, a gross development value of about 4,500 to 5,000 crores. But of course, time will tell that. But about 4,500 to 5,000 crores is what we have planned for Chennai in this coming financial year.
ओके और सर मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन रहेगा, सर हम देख रहे हैं कि इलेक्शन का दौर है, डेफिनेटली सभी बिजनेस में काफ़ी एक बोल सकते हैं दबाव आ चुका है कि कहीं ना कहीं कितने सारे ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं जिनको अप्रूवल्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं, जब वेट कर रहे हैं कि आफ्टर इलेक्शन के बाद काफ़ी प्रोजेक्ट्स को अप्रूवल मिलेगा। तो आफ्टर इलेक्शन के बाद जो भी सरकार आएगी उसके बाद लेकर आपका क्या प्लानिंग्स बन रहा है नए प्रोजेक्ट्स के अप्रूवल को लेकर?
Projects are ongoing. The approval process is ongoing. I don't think we have faced any challenge per se in getting approvals. So I think that continues to be the case. Approvals are going through smoothly in the cities that we are operating in. We have not seen too much of a challenge. To be honest, we have not seen too much of a challenge because of the elections. Yes, there are some delays. There is people are going on election duty and all of that. But overall, we are not seeing too much of a challenge. So there is no difference to us, ma'am.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, काफ़ी डिटेल्स में आपने हमें पूरी डिटेल्स के साथ हमने आपने कंपनी के आउटलुक के बारे में हमें बताया है। थैंक यू सो मच सर, और सर नेक्स्ट क्वार्टर के लिए भी आपको ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you so much for it.